from bad to worse. That is how South Africans view Vuyokazi's life right now. I'll explain what I mean in just a second, but first, I need to request you guys to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy the video. So, Vuyokazi celebrated her birthday on the 26th of June this month, and this was the talk of town since she received a pair of bouquet sent by her apparent boyfriend Chef Xolani, who stays in the UK. So, South African ladies were so happy celebrating that Vuyokazi finally found love after she was played by Mpumelelo for a very long time. People who watched her on Nestembo and recently Zingane Zestembu will know what I mean, but if you don't know, then it's fine, I got you. So, Mpumelelo was in the process of taking his first wife, and since he got Vuyokazi pregnant first, everyone expected that he will take Vuyokazi first, but he told his parents and the whole country that his first wife is going to be a virgin. Vuyokazi was filming with Eng after hearing about this. She even deleted Mpumelelo's pictures on her Instagram account. On the recent episode of Zingane Zestembu, he dumped Mpumelelo, so her fans were so excited that she finally left the relationship, calling it toxic. Now here's the juicy part. All the celebrations were ended by a Facebook account of a lady called Phiwe Ntlodi or Phiwe Ntlodi. Well, she recently deactivated her account. So after Vuyokazi's birthday, she posted a picture of herself with Chef Xolani. Apparently, Chef Xolani is her baby daddy, and on the thread that she wrote, she stated that she's the one taking care of Chef Xolani. She is also the one who assisted him to go to UK, and that he is broke. She stated all of this on a thread of posts on her Facebook account. Now, the love part makes things worse. According to Phiwe, Xolani asked her to borrow 3,000 rand from a loan shark and told her that there's an emergency. Then, herself not knowing that she's sponsoring Vuyokazi's birthday, she gave that 3K to her boyfriend. And that is how Vuyokazi's surprise bouquet was bought. Look, ladies and gentlemen, we don't really know how true this is, but people on Phiwe's comment section were agreeing with her. And there are stories of this guy scamming people, him cheating, and a lot, which makes me believe that this Phiwe girl is telling the truth. I even watched Umkosi Entertainment, the gossip channel here on YouTube for those who don't know. And the host there shares emails of this nigga's victim. So, Mpumelelo must be very happy wherever he is right now. I don't really believe that Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi really broke up. I mean, knowing themselves PR team, I really think this is just a PR stunt. They're only trying to get fans to watch this is Zingane Zestembu thing. But then, I could be wrong. And as always, these are just my thoughts. So, do comment in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.